Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is a very special one. It's probably one of the most meaningful videos I filmed in a long time. That's because this year, well actually this month, marks 10 years since I uploaded my first YouTube video. And I've picked up something very special for one of you. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'll be revealing what it is, obviously something from Louis Vuitton, how you can win it, and why I chose it in the first place. So before we get into that, I am going to go through my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette collection, and I think you'll understand by the end of the video why I'm showing you my mini pochette collection. But first, let me say a big thank you to all of you. I definitely couldn't have imagined 10 years ago when I uploaded my first video where this journey would have taken me. And I certainly wouldn't have imagined a decade later I'm still chatting to you guys about all things luxury, fashion, jewelry, travel, and everything we love. But you know what? Over the years, this channel is so much more than just luxury and handbags. I really love our community, and you guys have seen my style evolve, you've seen my handbag collection evolve, we've celebrated wins together, we've learned mistakes together, but one thing I think that has remained consistent is our family. So whether you've been here for 10 years or 10 days, thank you. Thank you for every view. Thank you for every comment. Thank you for your messages. Honestly, I can't tell you how much it means to me. So of course, I wanted to mark this big milestone and celebrate. So before we get into the unboxing of what I got for you, let me show you my mini pochette collection. So if you followed me for a while, this is going to come at no surprise because you guys know how much I love my mini pochettes. I think at one stage I owned probably about 8, which is probably a bit too much. I still have quite a few in my collection, which I'm going to go through with you now. But there's a reason why I love this so much. It is one of my most used SLGs. Actually, the mini pochette is always in my bag, whether it's this Damier Ben version or one of the other versions. It is just such a versatile piece. For me, I primarily use mine as a catch-all. Like at the moment, I have, makeup and like Panadol, but it honestly is like my most used SLG. And you know what? A lot of people even use this mini pochette as a bag now, because let me show you on one of my mini pochette. So this is a monogram version. I love it so much that I actually did get my initials on there. And so you can just attach a gold chain or a leather strap, make it into a crossbody bag. With this chain too, I'll show you a little trick. So at the moment, this can just be like, a crossbody bag, as you can see. But if you get the chain and see the end of this, just loop it through it, and you can also use it as a shoulder bag. So if I attach this to the other end, see, and then you can wear it like that as well. So it is such a versatile item. So this one was, I think, the very first one I bought, and this was over 10 years ago. And look at the condition. It's still really good. Like there has been, like, look, a little bit of plating loss there. It's really hard to see. But for the amount that I've used this, gosh, it's held up so well. And because this is older, I feel like this canvas is a bit better. And then I think this was the second one I got, as I said, is my monogram version, but you can get these customized and pick the colors. If you look on the inside, mine is in the beautiful kind of aqua blue. So if you love the mini pochette as much as I do, that's another way you can make it a bit more special. And you know what? The mini pochette, I would say, is LV's most popular small leather goods. I mean, back then the prices were a lot better than they are now, but you know, it was initially created as like an accessory pouch, but like I said, people use it as a mini bag now. And one very special one that I love is my limited edition Vivienne. So the mini pochette, every single year, you know, Louis Vuitton, for their Christmas animations, limited editions, usually these come out around November each year, I believe. And one of the ones was the Paris one, and I love this because I love Paris. Paris holds a special place in my heart. So of course, when I saw the Vivienne with Paris, I had to get that. Gosh, this collection sold out so quickly. And like I was saying, the mini pochette is always included in the limited edition Christmas animations. That's how popular it is. And I think it was the same year. I really love that collection, by the way. I also picked up the Venice one because hubby and I have been to Venice. It was a super, super romantic getaway. This is years ago. So I particularly loved the, you know, Vivienne with the gondola and all the little LV trunks. But I have purchased a couple more of these, but I ended up letting them go because honestly, I just have too many of them. So this is the fourth one, but I did pick up there was a one with a Ferris wheel. You know, people every single year collect the mini pochettes in the limited edition because every year the designs are so cute. But like I've told you guys, I'm holding back because I do have a lot of them. So that's another one. And then to complete my trio, I also had to get the mini pochette in the Damier Azur version because then I've got Damier Ben, Damier Azur, and the monogram. Well, this one's the monogram, but you know what I mean. And I totally understand the hype over these. It is honestly one of my best cost per wear luxury purchases of all time. Like I said, I always have one of these in my bags, and I take it for travel. I use it for running errands, which brings me to my last mini pochette. This is not an in-depth. I just want to show you my collection. But this is the mini pochette in the leather version. This was the By the Pool collection, and I love this one because it is in leather, it is in pink. Gosh, this was really hard to get back in the day, but here I just wanted to show you the reason people use it as like an errands bag is it can fit, you know, a card holder with cards, my bulky keys, and then like just a lippy or something. That all fits into this bag really, really well. And look at the insides, all in pink. I just love this piece. And if you are new to, you know, the luxury scene, I really highly recommend that you get a piece, whether it's in the canvas version or leather version, or if you like the limited edition versions. I just think it is such a practical piece, super versatile. That's why over the years, whenever I say, what do you guys want for a giveaway? Most often than not, most people say mini pochette. So I have given away one in Damier Ben, in monogram, maybe two in monogram actually. But this brings me to what I'm giving away for our 10 years. So in this bag, I managed to find, yes, obviously, since I've shown you all this, you know what this is, but this is a special one. So in here, let me show you. It is brand new in box. So I did have to pick this up pre-loved, but it is in brand new condition. It even has the tag on the dust bag. But I really wanted to get you guys something I genuinely love. I genuinely have used for over 10 years. And you can be twinning with me because I managed to find, dun, 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 the LV mini pochette in the leather, in the pink. And so this is mine. and this will be for one of you. But the first prize winner can actually choose between this Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette in leather or 1,000 AUD PayPal cash. Because I know even though a lot of you may love this mini pochette, a lot of you may prefer cash as well. So I'm going to keep the instructions super easy. One, just make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Just hit that red subscribe button. Two, give this video a thumbs up. And then there's a new feature, I think it's mainly on mobile, but hype this video for me. And then three, just comment, would you prefer the pochette or cash? And let me know what type of videos do you enjoy most on my channel. And that is it. So that is the YouTube entry, which is mandatory. But if you want bonus entries, just head on over to my Instagram and you will see this on my Instagram page, and you can just enter there for bonus entries. But that is optional. So that is it. Don't leave your email or anything like that. I'm going to leave this giveaway open for 3 weeks, and then I'm going to pick the winner. So I'll leave all the giveaway instructions in the description box below. As always, this giveaway is open worldwide. And I am just so thrilled that I can continue giving back to you guys. And I really hope you love this. I was rapt that I actually found this because I was like, it is just perfect for the giveaway and to celebrate 10 years. So that is it, guys. Short and sweet, but I just wanted to take this chance to say a final thank you. And I really appreciate all of you. And I'm just so, so grateful. So have a fabulous day or night. Love you all. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.